basically, my hair's been pissing me off for quite some time. That's why I'm wearing a hat. I don't know what to do with it. So it will curl on the inside and not on the outside. It will curl coming out of the top of my head, but once it gets to my hair, like, it just looks wavy and then it just looks messy. And it's also very hot. And so I want it to be shorter because it's just irritating to me. And I want to kind of figure out if I can cut my hair at home, because I've always been like, yeah, that's probably a bad idea. And it probably is. But we're gonna do it. And then also, I knew I had to dye my hair soon because it's getting very light on the edges. But then the other day, my partner was like, it's time to dye your hair. And I was like, oh. That made me not feel good, so gonna cut it, bleach it next week, dye it the next week after that. I like to give my hair some time to breathe between treatment. So, gonna put some conditioner, water conditioner on there, brush it out, and I'm gonna section it off. Alright, so I don't know if you can kind of see that it curls on the inside, but not the outside, like the top. So I'm gonna cut it into layers to try to make it all kind of do the same thing. Because I'm tired, it dries differently completely every single day, so I can't really predict it, and then it's a mess. And I'm just tired of that. So I watched this YouTube video, and she kind of achieved the result that I'm kind of thinking I want, maybe. And I thought this had come with hair ties, but it does not. Kind of, yeah. But I think I'm gonna have to lose quite a bit of length on the front because everything, like, she goes an inch from the last cut. So, and also her hair is a lot thicker than mine, so that doesn't help too. My hair is very thin, and I know this is basically gonna thin it out even more, which is, it is what it is. So, like, I only really want to cut like this much off, but I'm willing to go up to like this much on this layer. I'm gonna go like right there. Also, the very ends of my hair have been bleached so much that, like, I should have cut these a long time ago. Crazy burger.
Crazy Hamburger! Crazy Hamburger!
Okay. Okay, take this. Oh. looks like I have really horribly blended extensions. Okay. So, that's not so horrible, really. And now I'm just going to tie all of that back because I don't want to get confused. That is cute though, like this length right here. Okay. What I should do, clip this. Chat, clip that. And then split this. Split this. Tie this back. Okay. Hold this up to here. Hello. Where did that just go? That's kind of even. I kind of feel like a scene. Okay, this is kind of cute. I don't know. I kind of want to give myself scene bangs. And you know what? I kind of can with this. With these layers, I kind of just like. Okay, anyways. Okay. Okay, that's something. I mean, that is certainly something. I don't know. I feel like that made the bottom look better, but the bottom already looked good, and it made the top look even worse. So I'm gonna spray some more of this in, and just kind of let it. Let it kind of condition itself and see what it does, I guess. It looks like so far with the front pieces pulled back. I do think, I don't know, or what the back looks like. I do think it looks kind of cutie. I think it looks a little bit cuter than before. I don't know. I guess I'll find out for real when I actually wash my hair on Thursday. Because I already washed it today. But it turned out looking like shit because I washed it in a hotel. But I don't know, I feel like it's kind of cute. Right, so actually, I was gonna wait till this weekend to bleach my hair, but I'm bleaching it right now. I left work early, and then I'm gonna dye it this weekend because next weekend I'm meeting Max and Chad, which is pretty cool. So I don't want to be looking crusty and dusty, but so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it. And then we're gonna dye it. I might bring the bleach up more because my hair is shorter. I'm thinking about it. Well, I'm gonna have to bring it up more anyway so it gets to all the layers. But I like the dark root kind of look. So we're gonna see. I think that you guys have seen me bleach my hair at least 3 times on this channel. It might be less than that. Because I've recorded it several times and then just not edited the videos. Oops. So I'm not really going to record too much of this process, and also I don't have any pants on, so I don't want to record it too much. But you know the drill, manic panic, do what I can, and then I let it process for like literally 10 minutes. Lift to like white, like platinum. So maybe I will leave it because then it will lift lighter, you know, or my hair will just fall out. We'll find out. But that's look. I kind of fuck with it. I fuck with it. It feels so wasteful. There's all this bleach left, but I literally did like the whole ends of my whole hair. I put a bunch just in randomly in handfuls. I really don't want to bleach the whole thing. I don't. And I have a bunch of it on my skin already and it's burning really bad. So I'm gonna wipe that off. And I guess I'll just throw the rest out.
It is cold. It is cold.
Okay, so this is the end result. Unstyled, just to give you the full, honest truth. I don't really like it. I feel like it looks too dull. Like it's too dark, maybe. And then when I go out in the sun where it's supposed to look beautiful and gorgeous, it just looks faded and it looks like I didn't do anything to it at all. And I also, excuse me, sorry. Sometimes it dries more nicely than others. I slept on it for 2 hours, so that didn't really help. But I have been styling it. I like to style it by doing this. Let's do a little live style here. I just pull these front fringy sections back. And then when I do that, I feel like it is pretty cute. And it's also a lot lighter. Like, it's not as hot at work, which was the goal of having it. I feel like I did it a little too short, or maybe it curled up too much. I don't know. But it's kind of cute. And then the color is like, well, it's the same color that I always do. So Okay. This is more like the color that it is. You know that. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.